Assalamu alaikum. A very good morning, dear students. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to reinforce the topic adverbial phrase. So I want to ask the question, what are phrases? I give you 1 minute to think about it and then you can write the answer in comment box. Phrases. So let's recall it. What is phrase, and then we will recall what are adverbial phrases. Phrases are simply a group of words in a sentence or in a clause, a group of words. And we have discussed three types of phrases: adjectival phrases, adverbial phrases, and prepositional phrases. Now have a look on learning objective. Enable them to understand the use of adverbial phrases. If you see an adverbial phrase, like a single adverb gives information about the verb. Like you can see, using an adverb in sentence, I will do it soon. So you can see that soon is telling or giving more information about do. As you know that adverbial phrase always a group of words, mean the words that give or refine the meaning of a verb, or it can give information about the adjective or sometimes adverb as well. So here in a you can see here, I will do it quite soon. So both words are adverbs and it giving us more information about they are giving us more information about the verb do. She ate her lunch quickly, again telling us the way and the manner how and when, really quickly. And in the next example you can see she ate her lunch really quickly. So this is also giving or adding or modifying the verb ate. So I request you all, you must have your book. Please open the book, page number 61 of your textbook, and write classwork, date, and day on the top of the page 61. I give you 1 minute, so please open the page number 61. Okay, part A. Add one of the adverbs of degree below to each sentence to make an adverbial phrase. In question, they have given some words or adverbs, and we will use them to make the sentence or to make an or to change them into adverbial phrases. First, we have to look on the meaning of these adverbs. Quite means absolutely or fully or entirely, to to great extent. Okay, really, we use this word, use me in this really used to emphasize a statement or opinion. Totally, we use this adverb to express to express or emphasize a statement. It also used to express the agreement, to emphasize a clause or a statement also. Totally, which expressing the meaning fully, completely. Rather means used to express one's preference in a particular matter. Like in sentence an example, it's rather cold today, isn't it? Very, it is also an adverb, and is you know that we used to express or means fully. Surprisingly, what is the meaning of surprisingly? Surprisingly, as you meaning is unexpectedly, and extremely means very, terribly means very badly. Okay, now we will use them to make adverbial phrase. The example has given to us, my dad cooks really badly. So they have given us, or the first example has already done. In second example, you can see the goalkeeper played surprisingly brilliantly. Third, my grandpa always drive quite slowly. Sh- She explained the situation very clearly. She explained the situations very clearly. She finished the 5,000 meters extremely fast. She finished the 5,000 meter extremely fast. B part is rewrite the following sentences using the correct adverbial phrase instead of the adverb printed in bold. Like you can see in example, he looked at me strangely. So this is adverb. You have to use, make it adverbial phrase. He looked at me in a strange way. He came to see me yesterday. So you will match it with the day before. My student looked at me worriedly. So you will match it with a worried look on his face. It is an adverbial phrase now. She completed the task carefully with great care. They they waited patiently. So patiently means you will change this with great patience. His clothes were everywhere. Everywhere will with all over the place. I'm going upstairs to the top floor. This is the part C. You must have your notebook now. Prepare the notebook for this question because you need to do this question on language notebook. Okay, you will do this work on language notebook, but don't forget to write the classwork date and day on the book and draw margin line as well. Write topic which is adverbial phrases, and then you will write learning objective which already have given to you at the start of the video, so you can see from there and write that. And write question, make up 4 sentences of your own using each of these adverbial phrases. So adverbial phrases have been given to you, you will use them in your own sentences. The first one is quite brilliantly. So we have discussed it already. Quite quickly, you can use it easily. Rather well means absolutely, good enough, pretty good. So you will use in this way or in this context. Extremely clearly, carelessly. So here it's in a negative sense. So you will use this adverbial phrases. So I give you time 1 minute for doing this work. Don't forget to write learning objective and topic on your notebook. Prepare your notebook well and do your work neat and clean. So this is all from my side. I hope you have understood the lesson very well. Have a good day. Allah Hafiz.